Well, you could say love is in the air for this video that we're doing right now. I'm Mike Brooks. We're here in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Valerie from the OU School of Community Medicine. I said love is in the air because this comes out on Valentine's Day. So we're making a special treat.
We are. So we don't do a lot of special treats, especially things that have refined sugar, but today we're making an exception and we're making a chocolate muffin, so maybe kind of like a chocolate cupcake.
Yeah.
A little bit healthier because the base of this cupcake or muffin is actually going to be black beans. So might sound a little bit strange, but obviously the color lends itself to chocolate. It's a high in fiber, it's high in protein. It's going to add that protein to the muffin so that actually doesn't raise your blood sugar as much because of the sugar in there.
Okay.
So we're going to go ahead and put these beans right in the blender, and they have been drained and rinsed. They are low sodium, and we're just going to give that a little buzz. And that's going to be the base of the liquid.
Yes.
So the liquid ingredients in this are oat milk, a little bit of canola oil, and some flaxseed. And that's the most important ingredient in this because we're not using eggs.
Right.
And flax meal can be an egg replacement. So you put the flax meal in with some liquid. Again, we're using oat milk. You could use water. And it kind of gels and it acts as an egg replacement so that you don't need to use eggs, especially for people with egg allergies.
Okay. And what are these good for? Why are we using this?
Oh, great question. So these are very high in omega-3s.
Okay.
And so this just very good for you, just an added bonus to these. You know, if you're going to eat a chocolate cupcake that has sugar in it or a chocolate muffin, then you got to have something to balance that out.
We're going from this healthy to that healthy.
Right.
Raising it up. All right, good.
Okay, so that's plenty. Just a little blending. And then our dry ingredients here, oat flour. It is a gluten-free muffin. And it has granulated sugar, cocoa powder, and then has some leaveners, baking powder, baking soda, and then just a pinch of salt. So this is just going to get stirred together or whisked together. And you only want to whisk things like quick breads just until they're mixed, because if you over mix these things, that's when they can tend to get tough.
So lumps are good or no?
Yeah, some lumps are okay.
My
just
stuff
small.
tends to be lumpy. Yeah.
You don't want it to be completely lumpy, but you don't want it to. You don't have to have it completely mixed either.
Okay.
Okay. So we put in a half a cup of bittersweet chocolate chips, and see, that's probably plenty on that. Okay, we'll move this out of the way. And so these muffin cups are nonstick, but they also have a little bit of nonstick spray. They're about a quarter cup is going to go in each one. And then these are going to go in the oven that's preheated to 350 for about 25 minutes. So just until a pick comes out clean. So once these are all filled, just for a little extra special, you'll put a few chocolate chips on top. And then these will go right into the oven.
Right in.
And they're a delicious treat.
They come out like this. Wow. All right. Can we give these a taste test just to see?
Of course.
Yes?
Of course. You go ahead.
You want one as well?
No, thanks.
All right, we'll do it myself. Okay. That is good.
You can't taste
It's
black
very
beans, right?
chocolatey.
Yeah, they're very chocolatey. They have a lot of cocoa powder, which is great because it's very high in antioxidants.
Oh my. I'm going to take the whole plate. All right, we're going to do this. All right. We're going to have this fantastic recipe and all of our other recipes on our website. I'm talking with my mouth full. kgrh.com. Thanks for watching.